Hi, and welcome to Lighting for Online Recordings. So to start, the number one rule when you are recording is you always want light in front of you and not behind you. So one of the things I'm going to show you is what I could do in my office that would not be great. So right now I have a light just above my camera behind my computer, and I also have lights above me. So what I'd like to show you is what it looks like when I don't have those things on. So I'm first going to remove the light that is behind my computer. And you'll see now all the other light that I have in my office starts lighting my face. So you see the lighting window, you see the shadow in the middle of my face. And now I'm going to remove the light from above me. And you'll see just a bunch of shadows. As soon as I start putting light in front of me, this is where we start to get to see my face. Watching my lips becomes a lot easier. So again, number one rule, light in front of you. So I'm going to add back in that top light. And you'll see it starts filling my face. And then I'm going to add my bright light, which is behind my camera or behind my computer. And now you can see my face. And that is kind of rule number one when recording pretty much anything, but especially when you're on the computer.